Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can repost and remove reposts on TikTok. So if you want to repost something, just basically select the share button and select repost, which is the yellow button right here. And for instance, you want to remove this reposted video, but the video is like gone already, like it's been like scrolled up. Just go to profile and select this like repost button, which is right here. So like here, and just select a video. And to like unrepost it, just press the share button again and remove a repost. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!